welcome to my 19th video, Climate. Right, let's learn together with Kartavya. Topics we will cover today. What is climate? Difference between weather and climate. Heat zones of Earth. Winds. Climate of a place. About the workshop. Sorry for the inconvenience, bad network quality, and yes, background. What is climate? Climate is the weather condition of the place. Like Jaisalmer is mostly covered with desert, so the climate there would be hot and humid. We can predict the climate by the place or climatic zone of the area. Climatic zone is also known as heat zones. Difference between weather and climate. Weather can change hour to hour, so you must be seen like morning it is hot, and in an hour it is like windy. But climate changes in at least 2.5 decades. You can say 2.5 decades, 25 years. Now comes interesting part, and listen it carefully. It might be tough to understand. Okay, these are the lines. Okay, so here you can see the let's start with torrid zone. Torrid zone. Here the sunlight comes directly, so it's extreme hot. As it is extreme hot there. And temperate zone can be seen as moderate, not so hot, not so cold. So you must know that India is half in torrid zone and temperate zone. So the northern part in India is in the temperate zone, and the southern part is in the torrid. Now comes the frigate. Frigate zone receives very less sunlight, so it is processed like 6 months. 6 months there is morning, 6 months night. It's like very limited. Winds are one of the major factor affecting the climate. Example: monsoon winds and desert. So, monsoon winds. These winds come from the Arabian Sea and move Bangladesh side and go away from China. The winds make the climate rainy, so the name of it is monsoon. Desert winds. Desert winds are also said as sandstorms. The dust carry heat of the Thar Desert in India. When it reaches at Delhi NCR, it is converted into proper heat waves, and it spread humid weather and hot climate. About the workshop. Now comes the interesting part. The workshop will be conducted almost every Saturday, and I have already posted a video on it. Sorry, before we proceed, sorry for the grammatical errors. Yes, let's proceed. So we will not talk about the information. I will tell the benefits of attending, and the video is posted on YouTube. And who have registered, they will get a mail. If they not get the mail, they can contact me on Telegram. Benefits. We will have a chat where we ask doubts and another thing. Then we'll play some educational games and have fun. Please note, people who want to cancel their registration, they can till Wednesday, because I will prepare as the viewers in the workshop. Thank you. Contact me on Telegram, discussion tab, and comments.